Hello and welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. This lesson is a continuation of my blues lessons for beginner series. In this lesson we're going to learn how to play a simple solo over a slow blues progression. So this would also be a good time to subscribe to my channel right here, so please do so you can notice when the next video goes up. The link to the backing track is in my description, and it is compliments of Quest, the channel Quest. Okay, let's go and break down that blues solo piece by piece. Okay, obviously we are in a E blues progression, okay, and we're going to be using the E major pentatonic scale. Let's look at that major pentatonic scale in E. We start at the open E, that's the first note, second note, third note, fourth note, fifth note, and that's the octave, right? Then it continues. Either open a high E or the 5th fret. Because they're saying. That's where we're gonna pick most of our notes today for this blues. Okay, so the first lick, we'll start with the ring finger on the 2nd fret A string, and we're sliding to the 4th fret. Okay, so ring finger, 2nd A string, slide to the 4th A string, then pluck the 2nd fret D string, and then slide again from the 4th D to the 6th D. Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to try to give a little bit of a vibrato at the end. Right there. So the second lick after 2, 3, 4. So we're basically ring finger, 2nd fret E, middle finger, 3rd fret on the B, and then we're sliding 2 frets. We end up on the 4 and the 5. And you hit both notes, both strings, and you slide. 2, 3, 4. And you can do a little vibrato there too. That will give it a nice sound. The third lick coming out of is so we're sliding again with the ring finger 2nd fret to the 4th. We're basically doing the same as in the first lick, and instead of sliding we're gonna go and then we bend and I pull off. That's it. coming out of this. 3, 4. The fourth lick in this, coming out of is this one here. It's basically a D7 shape, right? D is here. The D7 is this chord. You slide it down. Slide it down to the fourth fret. Right there. So this is D shape, but it's actually E, right? And this is D7. So we're basically playing an E chord here. So what are we doing here? Hit the G string first, B string, G again, and then the E. Can give it a little bit of a vibrato. Sounds really cool, isn't it? Okay, so we're gonna play it right up to this, okay? Okay, so the fifth lick, as it goes back to A. Basically, we're doing the same as in the first one. That's the first one, but now in the fifth lick, we're going because it's in the A. And this note here goes well because it comes out of the A minor pentatonic scale. Right there. And give it a little bit of vibrato too. Slide. And a vibrato. And then the sixth, because we're in A, the A bar chord is here. And on the 9th fret, the D-shaped chord on the 9th fret is also A. So we're playing that D7 shape, but we're actually playing an A7 down here, right? So and we're doing the same thing as we did up here. So that's the 6th lick. Okay, the 7th lick, after coming out of the 7th lick, is exactly the same as the 3rd one. And then the 8th, after this one is, so basically open, B, open, B, and then slide to the 5th B, 5th fret B string. And you can give it a little bit of a vibrato. So two, three. So lick number 9. The 9th lick is actually going into the turnaround. So again we slide, but we're staying on the 4th fret D string, and just give it a little bit of a vibrato. And then we're going to do a little lick here, number 10. We hit both the B and the E string on the 12th fret. And then we bend the 14th fret G string. Twelfth fret B and E string. Bend 14th fret G string. Release. Pull off. Hit the 14th fret D string. Hit the 12th fret G string. Pull off and then back on the 14th D. And then we're going to do the 11th lick, which is the same as the 3 and the 7. Turn around. Okay, so the last lick is so we're bending G 2nd fret, open B, open E, third fret B string, pull off, bend up, bend the G 2nd fret again. And then we're going to do the B7. And then we'll start again. Right? So let's look at that last lick. It's a very nice lick. Okay, well, so this is the broken down version of this song. I hope this will help you put it all together. Remember that the blues can be improvised, so you don't necessarily have to play exactly what I'm playing. As long as you hit the right notes when the chord changes are happening, then you're all set. So don't get frustrated if you don't hit every note I'm doing. Just practice, maybe come back and listen to what I play, and then you get better and better playing over this progression. For the next lesson, I will add some new licks to that same backing track so you can expand your repertoire of blues licks with a nice slow backing track. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take care.